Okay guys, so welcome back to my survival world, and this is episode 2, and we survived episode 1, and today this is episode 2. So make sure to like and subscribe, and our goal is to reach 50 subscribers because I want to live stream. Okay, so today we're gonna be exploring a cave, and I don't know where to find a cave, but let's just go over that way. Okay, so I didn't find any cave, so I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, I found one, but I don't think that's a cave, or is it? Okay, it's a cave. W. Okay, it's not a cave, but okay, it's a cave. It's not. It does not go really deep, and that sucks. Oh no, I think I'm lost. Oh no, I need to go back to my house. I need to go back to my house. Oh no, I forgot the location. Oh no. This is bad. Oh no. Oh, okay. It's right over there. It's really far. Okay. Oh, a village. Let's go. W. Two village. Two villages. Okay. That's a W. And I forgot to mention that Iron Golems doesn't spawn the village yet. Okay, never mind. It's just one village. But is it one or two? Dude, I'm confused. Let's just go to the blacksmith. This is a good dude. Okay, not bad. Gonna wear this. Okay, what's in this house? Okay, never mind. There's nothing there. Okay, so I thought it was, but turns out it's just one village. And okay, look, there's another blacksmith. I'm gonna go here. Okay, I have this. Okay, I'm almost full set of armor. Keep exploring the village. Okay, so that's it. Okay. I better get back home because I wanna lose it. I don't wanna get lost. So that's why I'm going back home. Okay, so I just found my house. It's right over there. You can see it. You can see that. Okay, so let me just put this. Okay, realize they didn't drop any food. Okay, so pigs drop pork in this version. Not 100%. Also cows, not 100%. Okay, I'm getting hungry, man. Okay, so let's not focus on caves right now because I don't know if I'm ready. And of course, yo. No, I'm just gonna. Dude, I have no idea what should I do now. Oh, I don't know if I have this. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is good. I found the cave. Okay, it's really deep. Nah, I should not go there. It's dangerous. Okay, so this is bad. It's getting dark. And thank God we're only a few kilometers from our house. To go back home. Better get home. And yeah, you cannot swim in this version yet. Okay, dude. Okay, it's sunset and I thought it's nighttime because okay, it's nighttime now. Okay, so we're going back to that village and I'm gonna explore it. Okay, so we arrived at the village and okay, farm. Come on, please have food, man. I have food that is raw, but I have no other food. And guys, do not eat raw food in real life. This is just a game. Ooh, grown carrots. I mean potatoes. Bro. Okay, so I realized that carrots is bad because it only gives half a bar. Each bar it only gives a half. Okay, so this is the old. Oh no! I'm gonna visit each house. Okay, so I really like this design. Okay, never mind. I was right that they are two village because there's a well right over there and there's also a well right over there. Huh? Dude. Okay. There's a well right over there. And this is getting confusing. Because I thought there's a well right over here. Never mind it. I'm not gonna talk about it. Okay, I'm gonna steal the furnace. Because I'm gonna travel the desert. Okay, I'm going now. Okay, so I found the most useless structure in Minecraft, and this is called the desert well. And what I meant earlier, this is not what I meant, because earlier I was talking about the village well. Dude, they are like separated. They are like separated villages, but close each other. Okay, I'm gonna jump. Okay, never mind. I ain't taking the risk of dying. Okay, never mind. I'll jump. Woo! That was cool. Okay, Yo, there's another village. Okay, there's another village. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I need to cook. I need to cook because I cannot sprint anymore. Dude, there's a village right over there, and there's a village right over there. And there's a floating sand over there. Okay, this is enough, I think. Okay, this is enough. Ooh. Is there a blacksmith right over here? Okay, what is this? Okay, never mind. It's like a tunnel, but not a cave. Floating sand has to be illegal. Okay, I don't think there's a blacksmith here. Oh, never mind. There is a blacksmith here. Give me the loot. The iron, not bad. I'm taking it. Okay, guys, so you cannot trade in this version yet. You cannot trade here. Even the blacksmith, you still cannot trade it because it's an old version of Minecraft. Oh no, this is bad. Very, very bad. Never mind. That mountain always leads me to home. This always leads me to my house. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we arrived the village that I was talking earlier. Not the other one that was that direction. And oh, cactus. Okay, they are getting hurt from the cactus. And we can also get hurt from the cactus too. Okay, so I'm going home because I need food, and oh no, I always hate when this happens. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I'm uploading a video or not. But if you don't want to, it's fine. And if you can change your mind, if you subscribe, you can change your mind later. It's free. Okay. Why are you looking at me like that? Get out of my face, man. It is bad because it's getting dark and oh no, I need to get home before hostile mob spawns. Oh no, I think I'm not gonna make it. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, 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 man. Okay, okay, good, good, good. Sprint! Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm almost close. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm almost close. Okay, I'm a few blocks ahead. Okay, come on. Come on! We made it! Woo! We made it.